Hi everybody, it's Strawberry Hui, and in today's video I'm going to be making a K-pop journal spread for Pentagon's song and music video Do or Not. Hi everybody. So it's definitely been a while. I think it's been like a month since I posted. The last video that I posted was my butter video, and I really wanted to get that one out. However, I have a ton of spreads that I wanted to make for like songs and events and stuff that actually happened before butter came out. So I really want to get to them. And I feel like I always say that, but I really mean it this time. I'm really getting back on track. I miss posting so much. I've just had like a lot going on. I've actually been really busy with my Etsy shop, which I genuinely appreciate. I love the support. It's been helping me so much. But I have been really busy, so it's been hard to make time to do spreads and like film videos and edit and stuff like that. But it makes me happy, so I really need to make time for it. I have prepped like a ton of spreads that I want to get out and film. So in theory, I will be posting a lot of videos like pretty much back to back, like 1 or 2 days in between each other in the next couple of weeks, because I really want to get them all out so I can kind of like get back on track and be like up to date with events that are happening. But I really want to post these videos, even though some of them are like outdated, obviously, like Do or Not came out back in March. But I really want to share them with you guys, so I hope that's okay. So anyway, about the spread, I freaking love this concept. I love the concept for this album and this comeback. Like, it's so cute. I love the whole webtoon, like, K-drama thing. The albums were absolutely adorable. I love them so much. And the music video was really cute and fun. However, it was kind of hard for me to decide on a color scheme, which I've talked about before. It can be really hard to pick color schemes for like videos and stuff that don't really have a color scheme themselves. Like, there's definitely like a theme going on, but there's not really a color scheme. Like, different scenes are different colors and stuff. So in my head, I was thinking, well, you know, that like end scene where they're at like a school dance kind of situation, there's lots of like bright colors and like neon colors and like lights and stuff like that. And I did like use one of the pictures from that scene. So I was like, why don't I use all the like pretty neon colors from that? And that will kind of like tie it together with that picture. That was my thought process anyway. I don't think it really turned out how I was picturing, which, like, I mean, you guys will see when I get there. I think that I maybe should have made that picture that I intended to tie everything together with a little bit bigger. But yeah, I mean, you guys will see what I'm talking about as we continue on with the spread. So here you can see me desperately attempting to put all the colors together with some washi tape, which didn't really save it that much, but then I was like kind of struggling with how to do the lettering. I wanted to do these like fun block letters, but when I did them, I didn't really like them. You can kind of see them below. So I was like, what if I just do some normal like calligraphy kind of thing, which I think that they turned out fine. I just was, I don't know. I don't know if it's because I've been slacking on my journaling, so like I just needed to get like back in the groove, but I just like really struggled with this spread a lot. Like, it was kind of hard, which kind of made me sad because I really like this song, and I think the music video is so cute, and I love Pentagon so much. As you guys know, I was so excited that he was going to be part of this comeback, even though he was enlisting. Obviously, he's my bias. So him enlisting has like really sucked and has been like really hard. And I miss him a lot. But yeah, I was really glad that he got to be included in this comeback. But I just really struggled with the spread. Like at this point, I remember thinking in my head, like, I might not post this video because I really, really don't like the spread. And so I got out these stickers, which are kind of like cartoony, like foods kind of stickers, which I thought might be cute because it kind of went with like the webtoon concept. So I added them everywhere, which I feel like stickers like that only look cute in like a spread like this when they're like really mixed into a collage. Like otherwise they're just kind of random. And so I just like was not liking it. I was not feeling it at this point. I was low key kind of hating it. But I was like, okay, we just move on. So I decided to go ahead and do my journaling part, which, like I said, I talked about. You know, I really love the song. It's really cute. I mean, honestly, I feel like I've never disliked a Pentagon title track. They always hit, honestly. But yeah, so I was like, I'm just gonna do the journaling and then we'll just go from there. So at this point, I was just like really desperate to save the spread. And I'm like, if I just keep adding things to it, surely it will get better. And honestly, it kind of did. So I just added these like little pieces of paper all over, like tried to kind of make it look more like collage-esque. So there weren't just like random stickers and stuff around. And honestly, I do think that it helped. I've kind of went from like absolutely hating and being like ashamed of the spread to being like, oh, it's not that bad. So yeah, I used like other little bits of paper and just added like, I don't know, just weird little decorations as you do. And then I added some more washi tape, and then I decided to get out some markers and I just added some little like stars and hearts and little like swirly swoos and whatnot. And I do think that it helped. I don't know why. I just feel like it helped a little bit. So it wasn't so bad in the end. Also, I feel like sometimes it's okay to post things that aren't like your best work because it just shows that like everybody's human and not everybody is gonna hit like all the time. So yeah. But in the end, I ended up liking the spread okay. I didn't despise it. It's not my favorite, but it's still pretty cute. And the music video is cute with pictures of these men you can't really miss. So yeah. So if you guys liked this video and you like the spread, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.